Unlocking vocabulary. Deciphering Decorous. Hello, English enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language to help you understand and use it more effectively. Today, we've got a special word on the menu: decorous. This word might not be in your everyday vocabulary, but it's a fantastic word to know and use in the right context. So, let's get started and uncover the meanings and uses of decorous. Decorous is an adjective, and it describes behavior that is proper, dignified, and in good taste. When something or someone is decorous, they are behaving in a socially acceptable and appropriate manner. Think of it like this: if you're at a formal dinner, following etiquette and being polite would be considered decorous behavior. Let's break it down with some examples. Wearing a suit to a job interview is decorous. Speaking softly in a library is decorous. Helping an elderly person cross the street safely is also decorous. The word decorous comes from the Latin word decorus, which means seemly or fitting. Over time, it has been adapted into English and has kept its meaning related to good manners and appropriate behavior. You might encounter decorous in written English, particularly in literature or formal writing. It's a bit more formal than words like polite or respectful, but it carries a similar meaning. Here are some sentences to help you understand how to use decorous. Even though she was upset, she maintained a decorous demeanor throughout the meeting. The students were decorous during the school assembly, paying attention and clapping politely. Understanding synonyms and antonyms can help deepen your understanding of decorous. Synonyms: words with similar meanings. Respectful, polite, dignified, proper. Antonyms: words with opposite meanings. Rude, disrespectful, inappropriate, unseemly. And that, dear viewers, wraps up our exploration of the word decorous. We hope this video has been insightful and that you now feel more confident in understanding and using this word in your English communications. Remember, expanding your vocabulary not only helps you express yourself better but also enhances your understanding of the language. So, keep learning, stay curious, and until next time, stay decorous and happy learning.